What's up, everybody? As you can see, we're not on Luna anymore. We are on our new to us Catalina 34, and we've been working really hard getting her cleaned up and ready to hit the water. So we actually just left the dock for the first time, and we're gonna head out the new river. We're in downtown Fort Lauderdale, make our way to Port Everglades, and get in a little sunset sail. So let's go for a sail.
What's up, everybody? I'm Brandon. This is Anna. We are both hitchhikers, I guess you could say. We're at the same dock as Rob and Apple, and they were kind enough to show us what not sailing a dinghy is like. We got a Hunter 23, and it's tiny, and now we need a bigger boat.
You're welcome. So how you feeling so far?
Good.
Yeah? Navigating this yacht.
Basically, we had some delays coming through downtown Fort Lauderdale. There's 3 bridges in rapid succession. They're really close together, and there's a current that's just ripping through there. So there was some delay, maybe a little bit of panic as we're getting kind of tossed around, but we kept her under control, and we're making our way for the ocean.
Not bad for the first time.
Yeah, not bad for the first time. All right. I'll take a beer now.
Yeah. What?
So I just can't wait to go through the inlet. Looked like they weren't social distancing and attracted a little law enforcement attention.
They've got too many people on board too. The wetter the better.
I love just motoring right through these wakes and not even as much of a bounce, you know? This is a big change for us. We are like super excited. I don't know if you can tell, but we are.
See? I can't stop smiling. Oh my god.
It looks like you're gonna hit.
It does.
It looks like it's gonna hit though.
Right? They're videotaping us.
What is that up there? That looks like a Miata or something.
Yeah. Baby, this is kind of crazy.
So it would be
I
like,
was completely shocked. I was like, what, there are waves?
I know.
dude, our Catalina 22 came through here with like huge sport fish. Other shit comes out like that, dude. Our motor came clean out of the water.
Oh yeah.
Apple.
Admiral Apple.
How you doing?
I'm captaining.
Where are we?
Somewhere in the ocean, going 4.5 knots. We're under sail. There's Fort Lauderdale. There's downtown. I see the Bank of America building. And this is the shipping container anchorage. And there is a cruise ship out there. I don't know which one it is though. It's a blue bottom, so it could be like Holland, or it could be what's the other one? Royal Caribbean. I can't remember.
Making 5 knots right now. It's been like the winds have been super light. We've just been kind of putting along at 2 knots for about an hour or so, and now the wind just came out of the blue and whipped right up, and we're moving along at 4.6, 5. So yeah, we were just actually hit almost 6. So yeah, we're having a good time out here. This is a great first sail.